So here we have the trusty Bambu-Lab P1P, and I've been using this printer for most of my smaller projects. And the bed here, or the PEI sheet that came with it, is holding up very well. But I wanted to get more backups, and here we have a little set from BIQU, and this one comes with 2 plates, CryoGrip Pro Glacier, and we can see that this is a smooth texture, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to get something like this. Is whenever you print something and if you want it to be a nicer bottom smooth finish, this would definitely do it. And it is also double-sided, which is great to keep using it. But also we get the frostbite, which has a little more texture. You guys probably can see it there, and this is more of a normal but still not as rough, or maybe about the same roughness as the original. And here we have the specs for the 2 plates, the frostbite and the glacier. So I'm going to use the frostbite here to print out my next print, which is air tag holders, and I have a few versions here, and we'll see how well it sticks. And off we go. Alright, so it's been about a minute and it cooled off. It's still a little warm. Let's see how easy. Okay, so this part comes off. We got the air tag card looking thing, and it's stuck on there really well. I mean, it is slightly warm. Let's see if we flex it a bit. And this is PLA. So yeah, surprisingly, for being pretty smooth texture, it sticks very well. That's a good sign. If we left this thing to cool off completely, it would probably come off a lot easier, but it is coming off. It's just also sticking very well, which is impressive. There we go. And you guys can see maybe the finish on the bottom is quite smooth. So we didn't really have a super consistent flow there, but as far as the finish, it's much nicer than the original wrinkled finish, if that's, you know, what you're looking for, a more smooth finish. So yeah, pretty cool. And yeah, these are the CryoGrip plates that could be a very nice addition to your Bambu printers.